Having trouble selling your home? You're not alone. Many homeowners face challenges when trying to make their property stand out in the market. But don't worry, we're here to help with strategies that go beyond just lowering the price. Stay tuned for some top tips to make your home more appealing to potential buyers. One way to attract more buyers is by offering incentives. Consider things like a finder's fee. This could be a small cash reward for anyone who brings a buyer to your doorstep. Or how about a buyer's agent commission? This could make your property more appealing to realtors. And let's not forget closing cost incentives. By offering to cover some of these costs, you make the deal even sweeter for potential buyers. Remember, incentives can be a powerful tool to draw in potential buyers. Another strategy is to offer home repair credits or home warranties. A home repair credit can soothe potential buyers' worries about the condition of the home. It's a sort of safety net, a promise that any lingering issues will be addressed. On the other hand, a home warranty can give buyers that extra peace of mind. It's an assurance that should anything go wrong in the first year of ownership, they won't be left out in the cold. These strategies can help to make your home stand out in a competitive market. Being flexible with closing and move-in dates can also be a great selling point. Imagine the relief a buyer feels when they know they can coordinate their move without the pressure of rigid timelines. This flexibility can be especially appealing to those with tight schedules or those relocating from afar. It's all about making the transition as seamless as possible. Remember, a relaxed buyer is more likely to seal the deal. This flexibility can make the buying process much smoother and less stressful for potential buyers. To sum up, remember that selling your home involves more than just lowering the price. Offering incentives, providing home repair credits and warranties, and showing flexibility with closing and move-in dates can make your home more attractive to buyers. With these tips in mind, you should be well equipped to sell your home more quickly and efficiently. Good luck with your home sale.